Hello, this is Galen Martling, Design Team member with Unity Stamp Company. I have a gift set today. It is a greeting card and a gift tag. In this case, I use the tag as a wine tag and it coordinates perfectly with the greeting card. And so for the stamping, I'm using Unity stamps. One is called Charlotte Fashionista. And I'm also using a round of cocktails for the sentiment. And for the background, I'm using You Can Do It stamp set. And so these all are going to be stamped. The first one, the You Can Do It stamp there, it is large. I'm using that. It has like bubbles, a look of bubbles on it. And I'm using that for the background a couple of different times on that background panel. I'm using ink by My Favorite Things, Steel Blue, and also I'm using Extreme Black for the Fashionista girl, so that I can use Copic markers with it, with the girl. And so now I'm using Ranger Archival ink and Rose Madder to stamp this sentiment. Now I go ahead and die cut that sentiment and a background panel. I'm going to do that twice so that I can use it for the tag and also for the card. And so for the Fashionista, I have Copic friendly ink. And so I'm adding Copic markers in shades of beige or skin tones. I listed them here on the video and I'll also list it on my blog. Now you can use any markers as long as your stamping will coordinate with whichever type of marker that you're using, just so that it doesn't run or bleed through with the markers. You want to make sure your ink is coordinating with the correct style of markers you're going to use. And so I go ahead and add lots of layers for skin. I always do that. I just go over and over it until I get the color I want. And I add some darker shades where I think there might be shadows. And then I add the accent colors for the wine glass and her lipstick. And so then for the rest of the coloring, I'm going to use shades of grays, or for this part of the coloring for the dress, shades of gray. Start with light, and then you want to go ahead and pick up a darker shade where you think there's creases and folds. And then go back again with another shade, maybe a medium gray, to blend that out. And I just do it multiple times until I just get the style or the color that I want, especially the blending. Now for the hair, I'm using a brown tone, and I come back with a darker shade right just in some of the areas of the hair, and then I'll go in with a medium color to blend all of that out, to blend it together. And that's what I was going for, so it looks fine to me. And then I just go ahead and do some touch-ups of places I missed or areas I want to correct. And then I fussy cut the girl out. That just means cutting the girl out. So, I did this. I trimmed around her. I also added a little bit of Black Soot Distress ink pad blending around her, the areas on the outside of that fussy cutting, just to finish that look. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble the tags and add a little hole punch there and some twine. And then onto the background, I'm going to go ahead and add some adhesive and place that right onto the card front. Then I add one of the tags with foam tape onto that card front. And then I'm going to place the girl with a little bit of foam tape and some glue and overlap that tag a little bit and place her on there. And then tie the tag right around the wine gift. For a hostess gift. And there you go. You can give the card with the wine gift as a set, or you can just write out the card to somebody. I just love this set. I like to do matching sets like this often. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you Take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Have a great day.